Hello everyone, good evening, and have a little bit cool evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The thought of the day is a practice make a mind perfect. A practice make a mind perfect. Have you ever heard about that? About the practice. Whenever you want to be a perfect on any field, then there's needed to be have a more practice. Suppose that you wanted to get a masters on your any subjects, that is if you are wanting to masters on your maths, if you are that's your subject is math, or and on that you need to have a more practice. Teachers always advise you to make more practice so that the questions, the syllabus, the topics, if you are practicing a lot, then you get easily to solve any, and you get an new ideas. Or you had ever watched that the Sachin Tendulkar as a batsman, the Virat Kohli as a batsman, MS Dhoni as a batsman, MS Dhoni helicopter shot. You have known that the MS Dhoni had try a lots of practice, do a lots of practice for their helicopter shot, so that he is master on his shots. And the Sachin Tendulkar is a batsman. He is also very master blaster, whatever he is known as. But the batsman, the batting styles of his Virat Kohli's batting, he is not born with a talent, but he had generated the talent by the practicing. So make practice, do practice, because practice make a man perfect. If you want to be a perfect, then it's necessary to have a do more and more practice. Now coming to the point, today I wake up early in the morning, and after wake up, my friends Rahul has called me. I talked to them in a video call. At the morning, he has called me and wished me a Makar Sankranti. After wishing, and we are talking the in a video call. After talking them that I will go for the field and doing a lots of exercises. Doing exercises today, I done a lots of exercise. After doing exercise, I just go for the fruit shop, and there I had buy about bananas and eats two bananas after eating a banana. Because after eating the banana, then I come back to the room and start studying food. And you will not believe that today I had at least studied continuously from 9 a.m. to at least 4 p.m. Continue, I had read that. On the middle of that, I had only take a half or 1 hour nap. I'll take a rest treatments, and in the middle of that I had take only a lunch. And instead of this, I had continuously reading from 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. And after reading from that 4 p.m., I just go for the tuitions. And after going for the tuition, there I had teach. And after coming back from the tuition, again go again I start reading. Before studying reading, then I had eat something, because in a day I had not eaten too much for so that I feel so hungry. Yes. After coming back from tuitions, I just go for the for eating something on market, because I had just today I take a very little much of food to study more. And I had just to making day by day habit of reading has been too good, because today I had to read at least more than before. I always used to read, but today I think something more I had read. After reading that, after coming back from market, then come back to the room and again start reading at least from 7 p.m. to 9, at least continue 2 hours, again read. And after reading 2 hours, then I just take a break. On that break, I used to solve the questions. I used to solve the questions which I had read in all the day. I trying to make the myself. After making 1 hour that question on a 10 p.m., I just go for the taking a lunch today and taking a dinner. And you know that today is a Saturday, and on Saturday that's not my time to cook food. That's why I had today got a lot of chance to read. So I had utilized this time on reading, and I had just reading a lot. So today I'm feeling very happy that's today I take all the peoples are enjoying on the fair, and today I taking a lots of time to on a studying. So I'm being very proud on myself also, very thankful to me also. After studying a lot, then I coming back to you and I talking to you. And before coming back to you, that I had learned one things, the learning point of that day, what you can say that the learning point of the day, that is to be, if you this learning point will from your real lives, you can say that if you want to make something, if you want to purchase something, and you think that is it importance for you, or you are, it means you are in confused. Suppose you wanted to buy purchase or something. Suppose you can say you are wanted to purchase a bike, है ना? And you are thinking that is it importance for you to purchasing the bike at this time, or whenever you are stuck on this kind of situation where you are not able to decide that am I buy or not buy, On that condition, try to adopt the rule of 30-day rule. On 30 day you don't buy that, and after 30 day you think, is it at importance for that, what the importance on a first day you can say, जो उस वक्त आपको जरूरत महसूस होती है, वो आफ्टर 30 दिन के बाद होंगे, वो क्या आपको लग रहा है कि वो पहले जो जरूरत थी वो जरूरत अभी भी महसूस हो रही, देन यू कैन परचेज दैट, यू कैन, if you feel that, if you need that things at this time before you wanted to purchase, then you can purchase. But and if you feel that, maximum chances is that you will feel that that is not needed to you. So this is the way to you can make your purchase decision good. Or second one is to be that, take a 2 minute rules. That is a 2 minute rule. Or a 2 minute rule, you can say that if there is any task, or if there is any work which you want to complete, and then take only 2 minute time to complete that, then you don't try to ignore that task, or try to do that at a that time. Because if you feel that, suppose you can say that there is some task, you feel you are during bathing, you think that you have a want some clothes to bath, some clothes to wash, and you know that it just take only 2 minute times to buy a one shirt, then don't try to ignore that task, that you don't make it that, don't postpone that work, that tomorrow I will bath, tomorrow I will wash that, or tomorrow I will do that. Try to do at a time, because in a 2 minute rule, this 2 minute rule save you lots of time and make you more, you can have motivation to your towards your work. And by this way you can save your time, by this way you can complete your task. The 2 minute rule, always try to follow this whenever you think that, suppose you are sitting for a study, Hannah, and you think that, I will read this topic tomorrow, and you feel that it will take only 2 minutes or 10 minute times to complete, then try to complete at that time. Don't try to postpone that work. If you will postpone that work, then it will be a postponing day by day, and that will not been happen. So try to do at a time whenever you feel that that is will be happen in a 2 minute, that will take only 2 minutes to complete, then you can complete that at a time. Suppose I can also say that this is an example. I know that for making a video, it will take only a 5 minute or 10 minute time to make a video. So but my heart always wanted to postpone that. I will to take, okay, let it go. I will do the next day. But I know that it's 2 minutes. If I will postpone next day, then it will be a lots of losses and lots of, you can say that, problems to me, because the daily habit or your daily dedication will be going to reduce. You can be gonna stuck in a stop. That's why it is necessary to have a follow that rule, whatever you decided, and whatever you think that the work which is necessary to do, and then you can do on that 2 minute, then try to do it at that time. This is the 2 minute rule. And I tell you, the purchase decision, whenever you want to purchase anything, try to think about, take a time of 30 day, and think that, is it now importance, how is it importance before the 30 day, now it is that type of importance. If it is that is importance for you, then you can purchase. And you feel that that is not importance now, before 30 days as I important, so you cannot purchase. It means, so this purchase decision for any purchasing things, try to take a 30 minute, try to take a 30 day a time for purchase anything. By this way you can save you lots of money, or save you lots of things also. So bye bye. Tomorrow I will have a lot of works. So take care. Good night. Keep watching and keep learning.